Good morning. Welcome you all to the NPTEL course Crop Modeling and Simulation for Agricultural Production Management. See, let me explain you the importance of this course. The online course at the current periods with the increasing population growth, there is a huge demand for the food grain productions, and the farmers are facing lot of challenge. There is a decreasing natural resources, and also there is a climate change impacts that is affecting the food security. So, how to select the particular type of crop for particular locations, and particularly the variety selection of course, and the planting seasons and the operations, so that they can get the maximum productions with the minimum use of the resources, that means the enhanced productions with the economical also. So, to do so they need a proper advisory and timely advisory from the for the particular growing periods, the advisory on the crop selections, variety selections, input management, so that they can maximize the productions with the minimum investment. So, to this end the decision support system is essential, so that they can guide the farmers the particular agricultural operations, and the in particularly the weather based crop planning. So, this subject crop modeling and simulations for agricultural production management. So, there we will be covering mostly as a decision support system in agricultural productions, use of the crop models, how to go for the yield forecasting and the input management, particularly water management, nutrient management, then weather based crop planning, and so that farmers can get maximize the productions, and also they can minimize the input investment for the economic returns. So, this is the subject crop modeling and simulations. Here we will be discussing about the modeling concepts and as a different principles involved in the crop modelings. Then we will discuss about the particular model DSAT, decision support system for agro technology transfer, the operational of this DSATs, and the input data use, data entry in the DSATs, and the simulation process, and how you can make for decision making the decision support system using these DSAT models. So, in this course, in addition to the theoretical concepts on the crop modeling and simulations, we will also cover the hands-on exercise, because you will be able to learn how to make data entry in the DSAT models, and the sequence of steps for the operations of the DSAT models, and the yield simulations, or the soil water balance, nutrient balance, carbon dynamics. Those as for the user interest that you can do using the DSAT modeling, and this will help us particularly preparing the advisory, the agro advisory for the farmers or the decision makers, so that it can disseminate to the end users for the proper management of the planning of the agricultural operations. And here also there is we will make some grouping also. You can do your as a group assignment, you can make use your own data sets, you can run the models and bring the output, that also you can present. And through this course particularly for the, you can say, the BTech in agricultural engineers and the BS in agricultural science, those are in the final years, and also postgraduates, those doing the agricultural related disciplines, they can opt for the subject. And you can see the takers, industry, those are looking for the students from this subject, IBM Research India Private Limited, Agricultural Insurance Company, the Farm Agro Advisory Service. So, there are different agencies, they are looking forwards the students who are trained with the crop modeling and simulations, and they can use the crop modeling simulation for decision making process, particularly for the agricultural input management, how to bring the precise input management to maximize the productions that they are looking for. So, the students from this course, hopefully they will be skilled, they will be trained with the use of the crop modeling scenario, that will be helpful for the many industry for the as a agro advisory and the decision making process in agricultural productions. With this, I thank you all.